Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing a quick avocado pre-poo, or should I say avocado hair mask. So our first ingredient obviously will be avocado. So now what I'm doing is cut my avocado and put it on the cup of my blender. My next ingredient will be honey. Since I was out of coconut oil, I decided to add coconut milk for this hair mask. Then I added some olive oil, and now it's time to mix it all up. I like this hair mask because it's a quick hair mask. All I need is the avocado and a coconut milk. As long as I have these two in my house, I don't need to go to the store looking for any kind of ingredient to make my avocado mask. Since avocado is rich in potassium and amino acid, it nourishes our hair and strengthen our hair. This will promote hair growth. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you know. So now all I'm doing is applying my quick avocado hair mask on her hair. I will start with the end to avoid getting split ends, and I put it around her scalp, and I will massage her scalp as I'm putting it on. And as usual, I always do this in sections because I feel like doing it in section is much better because I'm able to see every part of her hair. Let me know in the comment below if you have tried this hair mask before, or if you think about trying it, and when you do, please come back and let me know how you like it. I really like this hair mask. As you know, I love avocado hair mask. Now I'm gonna let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. After 30 minutes, I make sure to massage her scalp before I rinse her hair out. This is an important part that I try not to skip because scalp massage stimulates hair growth. So I will always try to do this before I continue with my regular wash day routine. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on our next video. Bye.